Hello, dear students. I am Dr. V.D. Jadhav, Assistant Professor, PG, Faculty of Commerce, People's College, Nanded. Today, I am taking lecture on underwriting shares and debentures. In this lecture, I am taking one numerical question with answer on the basis of underwriting shares. This is the first question of this topic. Question number 1. This question has asked in the examination March-April 2019. The question is Messrs. Shah Brothers of Bombay underwrote 80% of the public issue of 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each made by the Indian Computers Limited the issue was payable as follows. On application, rupees 3. On allotment, rupees 5. On first and final call, rupees 2. You are already familiar with this concept: application money, allotment money, and first and final call. You have already learned these concepts in BCom second year under the subject of corporate account. That's why I am not repeating again what is meant by allotment, what is meant by application. The public applied for only 9,000 shares, means here is 1,000 is shortage. Shah brothers fulfilled their obligations later on. They sold 75% of their holdings at rupees 9 per share. The underwriting commission was agreed at 4%. The underwriters expenses on printing and publicity amounted rupees 1200. The market value of share on that date of amounting rupees amounting was rupees 7 per share. Show the underwriting account in the books of Shah Brothers. This is the question. Messrs. Shah Brothers of Bombay underwrote 80% of the public issue of 1000 shares of rupees 10 each made by the Indian Computers Limited. The issue was payable as follows: on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 5, on first and final call rupees 2. The public applied for only 9,000 shares. It means 10,000 application issued, 9,000 application received from public, 1,000 is the shortage. We can say it short subscription. Then what is the liability of underwriter? 80% is the liability of underwriter of 80% of the short subscription. I am giving you working note also, don't worry. Shah Brothers fulfilled their obligations. Later on, they sold 75% of their holdings at rupees 9 per share. Since 75% of the holding shares is 800 shares, 80% of the 1000 shares. Then the underwriting commission was agreed 4%. Underwriters commission is 4% of the issued 80% amount. The underwriters expenses on printing and publicity amounted rupees 1200. These are the expenses of underwriter. The market value of share on that date amounting rupees was rupees 7 per share. Yesterday I have taken some theoretical part. If you read carefully or listen carefully yesterday's part, you can now easily understand what are the I am taking now. Here you should compare this value market price or cost price, whichever is less. Now I am taking solution. In the books of Shah Brothers, Bombay, underwriting account, shares of Indian Computers Limited, debit side, particular incoming shares, rupees, particular outgoing shares, rupees, credit side. I am reading once again. Question: Messrs. Shah Brothers of Bombay underwrote 80% of the public issue of 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each made by the Indian Computers Limited. The issue was payable as follows: on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 5, on first and final call rupees 2. The public applied for only 9,000 shares. Hence, I am taking here working note. First, underwriter's liability. Number of shares issued. Number of shares issued 10,000 less number of shares subscribed by public. Nine thousand, 10,000 minus 9,000, balance is 1,000. This is the short subscription. What is the liability of underwriters? Messrs. Shah Brothers of Bombay underwrote 80% of the public issue. 10,000 number of shares issued less number of shares subscribed by the public. Public has given response only 9,000 shares. Then remaining balance is 1,000 is the shortage or short subscription. Hence, 80% of short subscription. What is the 80% of 1,000? That is 800. This is the underwriter's liability. Hence, debit side. 2 bank account. In bracket, application money, $800 into what is the application rate? Here is given application rate 3. Amount of is 2,400. Incoming shares 800. Underwriter's liability is the incoming shares. Then 2 bank account, in bracket, allotment money, $800 into 5. Five is the allotment rate. Hence, I have taken 5. There is no need to take again and again incoming shares. 800 into 5, 4,000. Application money 2,400. Allotment money 4,000. Then 2 bank account. First and final call. $800 into 2. 2 is the first and final call rate. 800 into 2, 1,600. $800. This value I have taken here incoming shares as incoming shares. For your better understanding purpose, I am mentioning here 800 into 1,000 into 80% means this amount 800. Then working note number second. Underwriter's commission. amount of shares issued. What is the amount of shares issued? How many shares issued? 10,000 shares issued at the rate of is 10. Amount of shares issued 10,000. Sorry, 1 lakh. 10,000 into 10. 1 lakh. Amount of shares under written what is the amount of shares underwritten? 80,000. From where come this amount? What is the responsibility of liability of the underwriters? 80%. Hence 80% of the 1 lakh into 80%. Okay, now understand. Amount of shares underwritten 80,000. 80% of 1 lakh. Then commission. At 4%. 4% on commission. In bracket. There is no need to bracket. I can write in same line. 80% of 80,000 on 4% on 80,000. What is the amount of 4% commission? 3,200. 4% on 80,000. 80,000 is underwritten amount. This is the underwriter's commission. Up to this level, I have taken. The public applied for only 9,000 shares. 10,000 minus 9,000, 1,000 shortage, 80% of short subscription, 800 is the underwriter's liability. Later on, they sold 75% of their holdings at rupees 9 per share. Sales amount goes to the credit side by bank account. In bracket. Sale 600 into this is the amount of sale 9 per share. Outgoing shares 600 into 9 5,400. You think that from where 600 comes here? What is the responsibility of underwriter? 80%. But here mention Shah Brothers fulfilled their obligation. Later on, they sold 75% of their holding. But how many shares held by the underwriter? 800 shares held by underwriter. 75% of 800 is the 600. For your better understanding purpose, I am giving this here 800 into 75%. Now you can understand easily. 75% of 100. Incoming shares 800. That is means holding shares. Out of this 800, 75% sold by the underwriter. 75% of 800 means 600 shares at the rate rupees 9. Amount rupees 5400. Then by bank account in bracket commission. I have calculated commission here by the working note. Underwriter's commission. Amount of shares issued. How many shares issued? 10,000 shares issued at the rate rupees 10. Total amount rupees 1 lakh. Amount of shares underwritten 80,000. How to calculate 80,000? 80% of 1 lakh. Then commission. 4% commission on 80,000. That is 3,200. Hence commission I am taking here credit side 3,200 because of the nominal upon rule is debit all expenses, credit all income. Hence I am taking here all incomes credit side. Then next question. The underwriting commission was agreed at 4%. Yes, already I have taken 4% commission. The underwriter expenses on printing and publicity amounted to rupees 1,200. For 1 minute, I have told you debit all expenses and credit all income. Hence, expenses goes to the debit side to bank account in bracket printing and publicity expenses. Amount rupees 1,200. The market value of share on that date of amounting rupees was rupees 7 per share. Then make a total of debit side incoming shares, credit side outgoing shares. Debit side is more than credit side. It means balance 800 minus 600. Balance is 200. Now both sides are equal. Balance note down as a balance carried down. $200 shares at the rate rupees. How many? This is the working note part. Working note number 3. Yes. Number 3. This is the part of working note number 3. Calculate cost price per share. The formula is yesterday I have given total of credits minus total of debits minus total of credits except sale amount. divided by number of shares taken by underwriter minus number of shares taken by sub underwriter. Total of debits is 9,200 minus total of credit except sales amount. Here only two values, one commission and other sales value. Except sales means sales drop, then only one amount is bank commission, that is 3,200 divided by number of shares taken up by underwriter. How many shares taken by underwriter? That is incoming shares. How many incoming shares? 800 minus number of shares taken by sub underwriter. Here is no provision for sub underwriter, hence nil. There is no provision, hence 9,200 minus 3,200. Difference is 6,000 divided by 800. The value is 7.5. $9,200 is the total of debits minus total of credit except sale amount, that is 3,200. Number of shares taken by underwriter, that is 800 number of shares taken by underwriter. Sub underwriter, there is no provision for sub underwriter. 6,000 divided by 800, 7.5 per share. That is the market price, sorry, cost price. Cost price per share. This is the cost price per share. Hence, by balance carried the 200 multiply 7, because of in that question this is here is given the market value of share on that date of amounting was rupees 7 per share. Market price or cost price, whichever is less. Cost price is more than market price, hence here is I have considered market price, that is 7. 200 into 7, 1,400. Then make total of credit sale. $10,000 is the credit side total. Then 10,000 minus debit side total 9,200. The difference is 800. Now total both are same. This difference transfer to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Profit transfer. I hope you have understood this question with answer. Easy process. Solution. This is the solution. Bank account 800 incoming shares or underwriter's liability at the rate 3, that is the application money 2400 to bank account, allotment money 4000 to bank account, first and final call 1600 to bank account, printing and publicity expenses 1200. Then credit side by bank account, sale 75% holding of incoming shares 600 at the rate rupees 9, 5400 outgoing shares 600 by bank account, commission 3200 commission I have calculated here by given working note. Then by balance carried down at the rate rupees 7, market price 200 into 7, 1400. This is the profit transfer to the profit and loss account 800. This is the solution. This question has came into the examination March-April 2019. I hope you have understand. If you have any difficulty regarding this, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.